Alright, back again. So now we will change this text here in the yellow thing. So to do this, simply go to inside the LevelData class or LevelData script, which was in the level static immovable, and then level and then LevelData. We will go to edit text here. And we will put another string here, public string level selection level selection detail level selection text. Yeah, so this can be some interesting details about character shown while the user selects a level. So simply head over to level 1 and here inside level 1 we will make it a something. So first close it so it's not in playing, and now we can put the text here to be something like a crocodile turned mutant lost crocodile turned mutant is now angry on humans for no reason. Killing him will be a challenge. So if we can now we will assign it so it can take these values from it at a runtime, and we can copy this here and change the name to artist turned artist. Again, you guys can totally write your own things here. Artist is angry bouncer that didn't got paid and is looking for revenge. That artist is the angry bouncer that turned a bad guy. His punches are lethal. So this will be level 2 description, and now we will put this in the put this in our level selection screen. So this is the level manager, and if we can see about the changes that we were doing. So this is the level manager, this is the level data. Now we will have to look for the class through which we were changing these values at the runtime, and if there are none yet, none of these populator around. So this is the scroll view, and this is actually populating bit of data too. So we can either use this if we can edit the script here, and this we can actually use this for adjusting these values. So one thing is that this text mesh component for this text, and we will public oops level selection level selection text description here, and then there will be do we want to change this one, this level index change, we want to change this as well. So put this to level selection text number. This will only change the number of the level, and this will change the name, I guess. So put this level selection name text, and we will simply put it here. Assign level selection text, and here we will simply for the it will be if we can get the level data component. So level data component was, this is the level data component, level selection text. I think this is the right name, level name, yeah, this is the level selection text, and for the rest and then this is the name, and this would be so instead of level selection text, the number would be the index, and that if we can see from here, this will be something like this. And the number will come from and simply put it here. So this would be, and the name would be level name. Now we need to assign the references, and we would be good to go, ideally if all worked fine. So now to assign the references part, level selection text is basically description text. Oh sorry, this animal enemy detail, and put this here, and number would be this one, level heading I think. Yeah, so and name would be this level name. And now we will also rename this quest, which is this one, to choose level. Again, you guys can do your own thing here to this leveling thing, and this will help someone else if he's accessing this project later. Then the better naming convention goes a long way, especially when you are working in big teams and for big projects. Better documented code you have, and better conventions if it follow, it will have much better impact. So now if you play and everything is right, it should change the text to the, yep, Ortiz is angry bouncer that turned a bad guy, his punches are lethal. So this is the level that is being shown right now, and the thing is that even though, so this was the level 2, so it was updating the things at the runtime, and instead of level 2 here, a wrong thing showed up, so we will fix it. And instead of selection text, it would be yeah, it would be simply this I plus 1. And the text is fine. And now what we have to do is look for the current. So if we just simply play it right now, it will play the second level. So 3 shows up, and since it runs for 2 times, 0 and 1, and 3 is kind of out of question here, so we'll simply put it to I. And now what we have to do is what we have to do is get the player preferences to work. So it will write, if I have shown you here, we have to make a player pref work, set the level before game starts. And other thing we have to do is, for other levels, each will store their own 3D data model. So what this means is that this 3D model might have to come from this level data here, So what this means is that inside level static immovable, we will make a prefab here, and that prefab will be instantiated here. So we will do this, and we will do that in next tutorial. So thank you for watching.